Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to follow a playlist on Spotify. So for that, first thing, open Spotify and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you open the Spotify, first thing is you open up the playlist that you would like to follow. So I'm just gonna open a random playlist from here. So this is the playlist that I want to follow. Once at the playlist page, simply tap on the heart icon. Tap that. And as soon as this pop out on the bottom, add it to your library message appears. That effectively means that you have successfully added this particular playlist, or should I say that you have successfully started following this playlist. You can also do that by tapping on the three dotted lines and tap on the like option over here, add it to your library. So this is a way how you can easily follow a playlist on Spotify, just tapping the like icon. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.